We have learned that will is used for your predictions that are based on your opinion or your feeling. And be going to is used to predict things that kind of you can see now because of evidence now, right? Well, sometimes you must understand, sometimes either way is possible, right? Sometimes you can talk about the future based on your feeling, and you can also talk about the future based on something you see right now. Okay? And it has a little bit different focus. Okay? So what I'm trying to say is sometimes either way is okay, not only one way. Okay? Let's look at an example here. Okay, imagine we have a plant, maybe a plant, and it looks very dry. Okay? Now, if it looks really dry right now, we would say the plant is going to die, right? If you don't water it, right? So my focus is right now, it looks really dry. This is the evidence right now, okay? But you could also say the plant will die if you don't water it. And if you say will, well, this means it's my opinion. This is how I feel. So in this situation, either way is okay. So remember, be going to is focusing on the fact that there is physical evidence right now. Okay, let's look at some more examples. Okay, imagine right now we can see a baby. Maybe you're sitting beside a baby and you look at the baby and the baby looks angry and hungry. Well, what would you say? Well, you'd say, oh no, the baby is going to cry, right? Because you can see right now, you can see the future, right? Okay, imagine you're at a horse race, right? And you're watching the race, and the race is maybe half finished, and you can see the green, not the green horse, but the horse with the green equipment is leading the race, right? So right now this green horse is number one. Well, you would say, well, the green horse is going to win the race. And another example, imagine here you have a glass like a glass of water or milk or something, and it's very close to the edge of the table. I know you probably can't see, but very close to the edge of the table. And you can see that, oh yeah, the glass is going to fall, right? You can see this. So remember, be going to is based on physical evidence. And will is not based on physical evidence. Like I've told you, it's based on your opinion. And so when we talk about the future with will, it is not very clear. It is more abstract. Let's look at some more examples of will. My opinion, I'm sure she will want to go. He will be angry if that happens. Right? You will need some time off after the surgery. Okay? So let's go back to looking at the difference between will and be going to. Now, the first example here, don't lend him any money. He will never pay you back. This is my opinion, right? But a very similar situation, but different grammar. He is not going to pay you back the money because he just bought something with it. So this is evidence, right? So I say he's not going to pay you back. So similar situation, but a slightly different grammar. Okay, another situation. Manchester United will win the game. Well, what's the meaning of this? It means it's Mark's opinion. But Manchester United is going to win the game, right? Why? Because right now the game is not finished and Manchester United has 4 goals and the other team has 0 goals. This is the physical evidence right now, right? And the last example we have is will excuse me, the will or be going to example, I won't be able to get home that early. This means it's my opinion. But I'm not going to get home early this evening. Why? Well, the traffic right now, the traffic is terrible. So there's a small difference in meaning with will and be going to. Will is your opinion or feeling, and be going to is based on physical evidence, something now. If you'd like to practice this more, click on the link in the video.